It's finished. So we have finished the rough braking phase now, because the target for that was 7.4 kilometers and the velocity was nearly 140. So the Vikram lander has successfully completed the rough braking phase, and now we have entered the next phase of operation, which is the absolute navigation or attitude control phase. And this particular event is going to last for nearly 38 seconds. And the 4 throttleable engines are continuously on. And we see the velocity is something like 86 meter per second and roughly 4.43 kilometers away from the landing site. So all going well. Just awaiting the announcement for completing. Yes, the rough braking phase has been successfully completed, and we have entered the next phase of braking operation, which is the fine braking start, which is going to basically commence from 5 kilometer altitude, and this particular operation is going to last for nearly 96 seconds, wherein the Vikram lander will be reaching an altitude of just 400 meters above the landing site for initiating the vertical descent operations. So we are almost 11 minutes 52 seconds after the descent operation has started, just awaiting the announcement for the end of fine braking phase.
12 minutes.
Maybe in another few seconds we should hear the announcement that the fine braking phase of operation has been completed, and we expect at the end of this the vehicle to reach an altitude of almost 400 meters. And the velocity right now, if you look at the plot, we have the Vikram lander has a horizontal velocity of nearly 48 meters and vertical velocity of 60 meter per second.
जी हाँ, करीब करीब 12 मिनट 30 सेकंड का समय व्यतीत हो चुका है। हम लोग काफी नजदीक चंद्रमा की सतह पर, और फाइन ब्रेकिंग जो है वो है फेज है वो लगभग खत्म होने की स्थिति में।
Just waiting for the confirmation for the fine braking end.
तनाव भरे क्षण होते हैं जब इस तरह की कोई भी घटना के हम बहुत ही करीब होते हैं, क्योंकि वर्टिकल डिसेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला हुआ। इसमें सारे संसूचक जो हैं वो लगातार अपनी गतिविधियां प्रदान कर रहे हैं।
After the completion of the fine braking end, we will have the vertical descent operations, where the spacecraft will be moved from nearly 400 to 700 kilometers down to the lunar surface.
GCS 70.
करीब 13 मिनट 48 सेकंड व्यतीत हो चुके हैं, और एल्टीट्यूड जो है वो लगातार कम होता हुआ।
We're just waiting for the confirmation. The spacecraft, as we see on the screen, is showing the horizontal and vertical velocity of nearly 48 and 59 meter per second.
थोड़े से क्षण जहां पे हमें आंकड़ों की प्राप्ति के लिए इंतजार करना पड़ रहा है, जैसे ही आंकड़े प्राप्त होते हैं हम आप तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेंगे।
Confirm any signal from station.
Stand by. Negative. No signal from Madrid.
So view of the mission control center.
सभी के चेहरों पर थोड़े तनाव के क्षण, शायद आंकड़ों के निश्चितता के लिए हमें थोड़ी प्रतीक्षा करनी पड़ेगी।